You know, a lot of people quietly have the same frustration. They build a list, they send emails, they try to stay consistent, but nothing really happens. And it's confusing because on paper, it feels like it should work. But here's the truth. It's not usually the email that's the problem. It's the gap between when someone joins your list and what happens next. Most people join out of curiosity, not commitment. And if your follow-up doesn't guide them properly, your emails just feel random. They don't feel like part of a journey. And that's the shift that changed everything for me. I stopped thinking of email as something that converts and started thinking of it as something that guides. Just one clear idea, one simple step, one natural next move. When you do that, everything feels calmer. Your emails make more sense. Your leads feel more engaged. And you're no longer chasing people. You're just helping them move forward.